Perfect. Perfect.
All right, YouTube, I'm back. So today what I'm working on a 2007 Chrysler 300C. The C is the ones with the Hemi in it. It comes with the 5.7, the V8. These cars are, pretty good, depending on how you take care of them and stuff like that. I never had one. Me and my mom, we decided to get this, try to just fix up. My uncle had it. He said that the fuel pump or something had went out in it, and he just didn't want to put any more money in it. He just let it sit. Where you see it on the thumbnail, that's how we got the car. And I'm gonna just give you a rundown and let you check it out of what I gotta do to it. And right now, as you see, it's pretty dirty. It's still dirty. I didn't even clean it up yet. And so what I have done, I went ahead and got a fuel pump. I got the fuel pump installed. If I got some shots or some pictures or anything, I'll show you like right now of everything that I did. And so far as in just the fuel pump, the fuel system. So I got the car running. I got the car crunk up. I got it running and all. And come to find out, just me thinking about everything, I said if the fuel pump was bad, I'm pretty sure the injectors probably was clogged up, and that's what it was. So I crunk it up, and it's running on like 2 cylinders, which is this injector is working and spraying, and this one's spraying. And the other ones, they're not spraying. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and get these injectors taken out and get them cleaned up. And then I'm gonna get them thrown back in there and seeing if how it runs, because it's running. It's just, spitting. It's like skipping. So I'm gonna get those injectors taken off, and then I'll just turn it back on. All right, YouTube, I'm back. So I got the whole fuel rail on. I got the fuel line intact. I got that plugged back in. This injector right here plugged. For some reason, I couldn't get this little piece to go all the way down, but it's latched in. It's not going nowhere. I got the rest of them in over here. This one right here is missing one of the clips, because when I took this one off, it popped off, the red clip, and it's just somewhere laying down there. I just ain't got time to look for it. But I just went ahead and made sure I just had all of those in, because it'd be easier just to put one on versus going all the way back there. But yeah, I'm not worried about it. Got all these plugged in. Yeah, so I'm sorry I don't have a video of how the car was running before, but it was stuttering and it spit and it wasn't running on all the cylinders. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's go ahead and crank it up. I think the battery did. Let me put my jump box on it. All right, so I got my charge on. So let's try it this time. Oh yeah, she running. She running smooth now. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. I mean, it didn't run nothing like that earlier. So that's pretty much what it was. The injector was stopped up and she purred like a kitten, man. I'm proud of myself, man. I apologize to y'all so y'all
y'all don't have any kind of clue of how it ran. You know, it's just that I was trying to just hurry up and try to get this thing done. But next in the future, I'm gonna try to make sure I get good videos and stuff like that put out. But she's purring, man. She's running so good. I'm not gonna let it run too long. I'm just looking right now, making sure I don't have any, fuel line leak and stuff like that. But she's running. She's running real good.